Hello everyone, myself Parnika. I have recently completed my class 12th. I'm from Ambala and I'm currently enrolled into KnowTheNew coding classes. I have completed my Python course, beginner to advanced, and I'm currently enrolled in the web development course. So today I'm going to share my experience about these classes. These classes have been incredibly valuable in honing my technical skills. The best feature about these classes are the one-on-one attention, which not only ensures deeper understanding but also finer skill development. Another feature which I like about these classes are the hands-on real-life projects, which have built my confidence in coding. So if you are a beginner and want to enhance your coding journey or kickstart your coding journey, then do join KnowTheNew coding classes. Thank you.